Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Lego boat. Airplane. Oh my god. Now it's an airplane. Even though I made an airplane like a month ago. Like a ship a month ago. So you're gonna need this piece and this piece. I'm just tired and my... Okay. Oh. Sorry. Oh. And I got this a couple days ago. Don't see that red, but if you don't see it, you're colorblind with red. Didn't sleep that good today. Oh my god. You're also gonna need... God, I'm tired. Which this airplane is gonna cost a lot. Tiredness. And this a blue seat. And I'll add this for a seat. Like so the blind person can sit there, and this is where the other people is gonna sit. Extremely tired over here. Of course, it's a horrible day. Extremely tired. God, get your character, slop him on there. I'll grab another character. Sorry, I'm tired. I gotta keep on pausing the video to tell my mom to stop talking. Oh my god, you grab your Lego figure. Frowns, stinky little frowns. Where could you find those frowns? Frowns, stinky little frowns. And stinky little frowns, of course. Grab Dave's piece. Grab a yellow piece in like a microphone piece. And do that twice. That other one go. I'm only going to use one, so you could see. Oh my gosh. Pee so badly. Down back here is going to be food storage. I'm a little bit more of a gut. Okay, I guess you couldn't hear that, but I can hear in my ears my mom and my dad. And I'm gonna post this video, and if it gets deleted again, like that other one did, I'm gonna get extremely mad. Oh my god. Get at me. I need like red. Red. This thing. And yellow folder. The real cheese. And then put and I'm going to grab this piece where I meant to say one need. Wait. No, we don't got any. Lipstick. Grab an orange piece or a red piece. This is like the worst video so far. Using a legal trick. That was all. You got yourself an airplane.